We would like to demonstrate to you how easy it is to install a boundary microphone with an LED ring into a tabletop, or how an already installed microphone can be fitted with an LED ring afterwards. In this case, the boundary microphone is already installed and is to be fitted with an LED ring. Loosen the nut and remove the rubber ring underneath the tabletop. Afterwards, remove the boundary microphone with rubber ring. As you can see, there is a hole in the tabletop. This hole has a diameter of 24.5 millimeters. Shorten the light conductor in accordance to the thickness of the tabletop. In order to achieve a smooth surface, we recommend cutting the light conductor with cutting pliers that are normally used to cut tubes. Replace the black rubber ring with the LED ring, which is included in the delivery of the BMR. Place the LED ring and the light conductor onto the pipe of the microphone and place it from above through the hole in the tabletop. Don't worry if the light conductor is a bit too long, there is enough room for the PCB. From under the table, slide the housing with the PCB and the rubber ring over the tube of the microphone. Attach all components by tightening the nut. Finally, connect the PCB with a cable according to your choice of colors. Please note the required voltage of 12 volts. Have you seen how easy it is? Then try it out right now. For more information on our products, please visit our website beyerdynamic.com.